Good morning, good morning. So I am here to do my bit of gardening with my mates Chris and Marcus in their beautiful home here in Cavallero. And it's a gorgeous day as usual here in the Algarve. We're going to do some planting and some work. And you can see the back of the garden there. This is part of their garden, which is lovely. Really nice. I'll show you around their homestead, and so you can see what it's like. But it is a really beautiful place, and it's great fun to work in the garden and to learn how to plant stuff and all that sort of thing. But I'll show you that in a couple of minutes. Here we are in the garden, and I planted these about 2 weeks ago, and look at them, they're the pumpkins. They're going to be come up fairly soon. And over here the watermelons and the melons are coming up. Okay. Okay.
I don't know if we need to put anything on them.
Well, yeah, I think it's very warm, isn't it? So, you know, they probably will be fine. You cleared all here away?
Yeah, I took some beans out. Put more tomatoes here. So you could put the
Lettuces here.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's do that then.
Put them each side like that.
Yeah, okay. The lettuces. They're so delicate. Such a big bush, isn't it? It's really beautiful though. It's chainsaw mascara.
theoretically it's alright, but I wouldn't.
Yeah, why wouldn't it be? Lemons, fucking hell. There's just so many of them.
Oh my god.
What? Lovely to eat your own produce, or, well, produce that you... Beans that were grown in the garden, Chris's garden. We're just about to eat them. Good morning, bom dia, boa tarde, tudo bem? Hope you're well. So I'm gardening again today, and I haven't been here for a week because I've been in Dublin. But Chris has just shown me, we just planted these tomatoes, you know, literally about 3 weeks ago, and already, look at them. I'll show you them now. It's amazing. There you go. They're already, look at that. Everything's coming up, everything's growing. One of the great things about being over here is just everything grows so quickly. Are they the cantaloupes?
What?
Oh no, they are. Are they the cantaloupes?
Little ones, yeah.
It's all growing. These are cantaloupes just taken from seeds that Chris ate a cantaloupe and put them down. And then there are some tomatoes and some melons here. And then on this side are the seeds that we planted, which are the marrows. Beautiful flowers. They're really coming up too. This is a wood chipper. So we're going to chip wood, presumably. I've never chipped wood in my life, so, and there's creepy crawlies crawling all around. But anyway, it should be fun. Chipping wood. This wood. The size of that lemon. Look how huge it is. My God. big hunting spider. Carrot coming out of the ground. Look at that. Oh, look at the carrot. Jesus. What's up, that? What's up, Doc? Cunt. There you are, you're in the next one, you're in a huge amount. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's a hot pot camp, it's called Hot Pot Camp. Right, lovey.
Hot pot camp part 1.
What's up, Doc?